Hey birdie, what you looking at? What you got there? I don't know how this bird did it, but he made a nest out of our TV antenna thing. Well, hello little bird. What have you got in there? I'm scared, I don't want it to kill me. I don't see anything. Hello birdie. I'm scared right now because I'm like insanely close to you. I can see one bird down there.
Come on, seriously, why are you there?
It's so scary.
Oh, it's so small.
Yeah, it's the tiniest thing I've ever seen. Okay, this is day 2 of visiting the little bird. Hello bird, what's up? You look a little bit fat. You don't talk about anything, do you, Mr. Bird? Mr. Bird? Bird! You just blink, that's all you like?
Boy, imagine it flies into you and then crashes.
Okay, this is day 3. Hey bird, don't kill me. What's up bird? What you got? You look a little bit fatter though. But what happened to your babies? Are they alive? Dude, are they alive? Wait, what kind of a bird are you anyway, dude? This is so confusing, man. Bird, please, can you just talk to me, please? Come on, man. Please just talk. This is day 4 of the bird. Bird, why are you shaking? Why are you shaking, birdie? Why are you shaking? Do you have something to say? I know it's rainy outside, but seriously? Bird, can you just talk please for like 5 seconds for the camera, for the views? Come on. Guess not today either. Hello guys, and this is day 5 and the bird is in a different position. I don't know why. Oh wait, that's a bird! Yo, wait, that's a bird!
It's a chicken!
It's a tiny little baby birdie! Little birdie! How are you feeling? Are you ready to fly soon?
Do you know how the birds flew that time?
Dude, that's a bird! I thought that was a nest! That's not... This is day, or should I say night, 6. And the bird's like, what is going on? Why is there this weird light over here? Hello! But, sorry, I kind of forgot about what happened. Oh, I just almost fell. So, Mr. Bird, you have anything to say about your big bird over there? I see that bird you got.
Boy, it's so scary.
The bird's like, what's going on there, boy? Why are you looking at me like that? Stop looking like me that you don't know what's going on. Tell me something. Okay. This is day 7, and hey, look at that. There's little birds in there. You can actually see them now. Hello, little birdies. Welcome to this world that we live in. It's a very rainy day today, as you can see. It's very rainy outside. Yeah. So, how do you feel, little birdies? Are you ready to go into the outside? See what you can see out there? And how's your daddy? Or is this your mommy? This is day 8, and it's very windy. Okay. Bird, are you hanging in there? How you doing? Sticking out your tail at me. Oh, you got some nice poop down there. How is you and your birdies? Are they all nice and cuddled up? Try to warm them up from this very fearsome cold outside. Yes, it's very cold out here, Mr. Birdie. This is day 9, and the bird decided to come out of its nest. Bro? Are you even scared of us anymore? It's like we're like second nature to these guys. Like our family.
No, because look at how many birds are in the nest. Is it 2 or 3?
Boy. I'm like, what are you doing? Like, you have birds over there.
He's probably just guarding from there because there's no.
Do you want something?
You want seeds? You want seeds? You want French fries? Oh bro, its neck is like, what do you want, bro?
Are you okay if I go close to you? Dude, this guy doesn't even want to fly. This is so weird.
No. Why
This
would
is so weird. Like the bird doesn't want to even touch. It doesn't even care if I go close to it. Oh, he's kind of scared now. Hey bird, care for a grasshopper? Dude, it's a good grasshopper. Dude, don't fly. If you fly, dude, please, just take the
Imagine he
grasshopper.
actually eats it.
Here you go. No, don't do that.
It looks like it's gonna fall off the edge. I'm not kidding.
Yo, what's up? Whoa! Yo, this is so cool. Look at these little babies. How are you, proud parents? Look at these little babies. How are you? Man. This is so cool. Are you scared of me, little birdie? You scared? Would you care? Ah!
You guys drink water?
Would you like a nut? That's the babe, that's the dad, or the parents. They're up on top of this roof. They just left the babies right there for me to eat. I'm just kidding, no. I'm just gonna check them out. I'm just gonna see what happens if I go to the nest. Let's see if they're gonna attack me or something. Yeah, I know guys, I'm gonna take the risk. Bro, he doesn't even care.
Let's have some hunting tools. I'm gonna hunt them down with my epic shotgun.
See, the birds don't even care.
Guys,
Oh, there you go.
want to get killed? I got my own gun.
See, their parents don't even care.
We can shoot them. We can shoot them.
Maybe he just wants them to fly now. Do you want to fly now, birdies?
Come on, pretend.
Birds.
I'm a robber, okay?
See that nut over there?
Bro, they're gonna shoot.
Do you want that nut?
Come on, the robber.
Dude, what are you doing?
I'm trying to shoot the bird.
What is that?
My gun.
Bro, are you crazy? Hey! Come and see your babies!
If they don't come, I'm gonna shoot them.
I don't care right now.
If they're not,
These guys are amazing.
but I'm a scope man, so I
Hello? Dude, I'm not gonna kill you. Hello? Hello?
Bird, you wanna fight?
Hello?
I'm actually trying to shoot the bird, okay? Like,
Don't worry, I'm not gonna bite you, dude.
like keep pat
You
their
need
heads.
to trust them.
Like, pat their head, they're nice little lady. They'll probably trust you because you're the same.
Dude, I'm not gonna kill you. It's
Like,
okay.
trash
It's okay. It's okay. Dude.
just touch their butt. They won't, because if you touch their head, they're gonna bite your face off the road.
Dude, this guy's like, I don't even trust you, man.
You just touch him, boy. Force him to trust you. That's why I did it. They still trust me.
Dude, it's okay. It's okay, dude.
See, look, I told you, they're not gonna like me, boy.
Dude, they don't like me. They don't trust
them,
me.
then the birds will probably call it, Mama! Someone should Mom, I'll should crack the bird. Yeah, now so. I'm done with my gun.
Dude, these guys are like, I'm very chill. But then when I come here, they're like, no, don't kill me, don't kill me. It's okay. It's okay, dude. Dude.
It's what on the
Dude, oh no, dude, don't fly. If you fly, I'm gonna kill you.
Let's have fun.
I'm gonna kill you, dude. Don't fly. You stay here for like 2 more days, please. Just please.
Oh, it's so bad.
What are you doing?
Hey, Mama Birds, come find the babies.
I'm pretty sure this guy's gonna fly soon.
You can just feed them this.
I don't want to scare him because I don't want him to,
Die.
he's just gonna
time.
come. He's just gonna go.
I threw it.
You just threw a walnut at them. Okay.
Bro, I actually ate it over their head, boy. The mom will probably eat it when she comes.
Here, I'll just put the nuts here and see what they like.
eat it. I can't eat it. You have to cut it to small pieces. They're babies, bro.
Dude, you like it? Oh, never mind.
Oh, that's a robin. It's a robin.
Oh, it's just a robin. Okay.
The protector of that.
Yeah, I'll just put it right here. I don't know why we're so obsessed with these babies. They're pretty cool.
Where's the water? Okay.
Alright.
You can only give them like these pieces, but it has to be dry. Wait, is it good to keep water?
Okay, guys, this is day. Forgot what day it is today. I'm just so tired of this. Like, wait. We're gonna check out the birds. Oh, but they're all gone. Wait, what? Wait, where are they? Wait, what? Wait, wait, what's that? Wait, what? What? I see something. Wait, what's that over there? It's Angry Birds! Oh!